Hi everybody! So we are here for the last video of this little series of 3 videos. The subject here is to see how to create a prompt-based application. So we can see that here I can publish my prompt and I can make it public for prompt library. So I do that, I save, and I can go back to my application. I go to the applications feature. So here you can see that I can create an app. So select your prompt. I have to select my prompt. I choose the last one, called emailing for SaaS presentation. I can make a description, I can change it, and I have to choose my application type. For the moment, there is only form application, but we are working on ChatGPT plugin, ChatBubble application, and API application. So it's to say that in the next weeks, you will able to create all of this type of application based on your prompt. For the moment, the example will be on form application. So I go to next step. So form activation, it's like a review of my application, and I can create this code called emailing SaaS presentation. Okay. I go here. I can go here. I can also open the application, and with just this link, I can share this link to end user, which can be your client, your friend, your colleagues, to test my prompt and to use my prompt for the working life, the private life. So if you take again IT industry, do the same thing than in the last video. And for the feature, like copy paste. Okay, I can choose some different language if I want, and generate. And the answer, it's here. The goal of this feature is that you, as prompt engineer or as AI enthusiast, you are going to work on prompt. You can store them, share them, improve them, but also you can share them for end user who are no experience in generative AI, but they can use it very easily thanks to the app. Here we are. I hope you enjoy this video, and I hope to see you again in our platform GeneratedBy.